Kind of like what I always like to just start out by saying is that, it's crazy back in 2019, we were in a facility down the street at 7,700, and that was a 40,000 square foot facility. When we moved into here, this then doubled us to 80,000. Same year, we decided to start that processing plant next door, the shredder, so we bought another 40,000, and then with the plastic plant extension, another 10,000. So we're at 130,000 square feet now, which, from a 40,000 to really almost over tripling our size in a very short amount of time has been fun. My name is Kelly Adels Hess. I'm the CEO of CompuCycle here in Houston, Texas. CompuCycle is a special place in that we handle IT asset disposal and secure data destruction for corporations here in Houston, as well as in the United States, as well as we have global partners, and we focus on responsible and secure recycling.
We process material for reuse, and all the product that cannot be refurbished for reuse, we then are processing into raw materials. So we actually physically shred into the steel, the copper, the aluminum, the plastics, the circuit boards, and then that is sent as raw materials to refineries, mills, and smelters for repurposing.
So right now we have a SSI Q100 quad shaft shredder. Then we have a Q70, which is also a quad shaft shredder. That's currently being used for downsizing pre-shredded material. And then we have the SR500.
The plastics plant, it's so exciting that CompuCycle has taken this initiative to create this plant where we created a sink float system for plastics to try to create a solution in how to better recycle the e-plastic.
The environments that you create with shredders are extremely complex. And managing that complexity is not something you can do alone.
I really am so appreciative of the customer service that we've received from SSI and the dedication and how much they care, that I feel like our energies and synergies align very well, because obviously SSI is huge and is the leader in the industry when it comes to shredders, but they've really taken the time to help us develop and grow.
For the capacity in that plant, we would never use another shredder. And on the plastic side, there were other shredders that were actually offered to us. And when we were talking about putting in the plant, there was no question other than the SSI shredder. And SSI has actually modified the shredder specifically for our need. So that's the dedication where SSI, they don't just sell you a shredder and that's the end of it. They make sure that the shredder truly can do what it's supposed to do.
We will continue to grow, and as we do, I hope that there are more opportunities to use SSI throughout CompuCycle because it makes us better.